Do you know this beautiful formula? If you do, then you are a real genius. Just kidding, haha. Okay, let's prove it. Now, let's draw a quadrilateral and divide it this way. Let's call this part A and this part B. Similarly, this part is A and this part is B. Now we have to find the total area of it. So the area of this part is A times A. Similarly, this area is A times B. This one is also A times B. And finally, this one is B times B. Now let's add them all together. Then we get A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Let's find the total area again in another way. So the total area is this side A plus B times this side A plus B. So it is A plus B all squared. Finally, we have proved A plus B all squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Please make sure you have liked and subscribed.